I want to share with you how you can have a good and tasty pepper soup with catfish. Yeah, so I'm going to eat this tomorrow. I'll just poke, 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 so that the seasoning, the pepper soup stuff can go inside. By the time I'm cooking it tomorrow, I'll just marinate, mix everything together now, and put in the fridge until tomorrow that I'm ready to use it. Because some people complain that catfish is not really sweet like that, just the water. So this is the best way for you to have it. A tasty catfish. Poke it like that. Poke it like that. Poke it like that. Poke, 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 poke. By the time I'm eating tomorrow, it will be very, very tasty. Poke, poke. Already washed. I've already washed it. So I'll put my salt go in first. Not too much salt. Salt everything together. Then my Italian seasoning. I'm going to use that. My dash. The star of the show. I love the dash. I love dash so much. So my thyme goes in. So I'm going to use it tomorrow. And the main star of the show is this pepper soup spice from Nigeria. So roll this. Yeah, so I just put it there. So that's it. Basically, what I'm going to do, I will now massage everything to go inside before I put it in the fridge to marinate together for tomorrow before I finally cook. Marinate everything together, massage it to go inside. Massage everything to go inside. My hand is already washed, you guys. It's completely washed. So just like so, you can use your plastic wrap or whatever you want to cover it. You just cover it this way. This way. Add my pepper and every other thing, onions, before I cook it. So that's it basically. So I promise you guys I will be showing you how I'm going to prepare my pepper soup. I already marinated, which I carry you guys along yesterday. So I'll be cooking it now. I'll bring it out from the fridge. But another thing is, if you don't want to marinate it till the next day, you can marinate it that same day for 2 hours. And if you don't have the luxury of lights, yeah, you can just marinate it and keep on the kitchen cabinet for a while, like probably 1 hour to 2 hours. It will be fine, and you cook it, it will be tasty than just pouring your ingredient, the seasoning and everything. So I'm going to bring it out now and cook. So I have it here. I'm going to cook it now. See, you guys, so this is what we have. I'm going to just put it now. So it has some stuff. I'll just put water. So just put my water. It's much tastier than just putting it immediately like that, putting your seasoning and every other thing. It's much tastier. It's very tasty than that. So I have my onions and pepper already blended. So that's it. I will add more pepper soup spice, just a little bit. This is the style of the show, raw leaf. We'll leave to cook. I'll pour water. And another thing, to make it so rich, don't pour a lot of water, just a little bit, so that you have quality taste. Yeah. And I'll put a bit of salt now. And this bay leaf is also powerful. I'm going to add that. Just one is okay. I will add one. Oh, let me add. So I will add two. Let's cover to cook for until when it's done. Yeah. So at this point I added spring onions just to give it another flavor, and I added a little bit of water. Yeah, so it was so perfect and tasty. Follow this way and you achieve a tasty catfish pepper soup. For those people that complain that they don't like catfish pepper soup, and this veggie, you guys, I will be filming how I achieve a tasty vegetable. Like, this has been my way of cooking it lately and I love it. Stay tuned for more. You guys, I've done cooking the pepper soup, so let's taste together. How is it? Truly. It's tasty. It's really tasty. I wanted Obi to taste it for me, but one of the kids was crying. He just disorganized everything for us, so it's with them where they are eating in their own dining. Yeah, so yummy. So that's it, guys. Let me enjoy. That's the way you can have a tasty catfish. Yeah. The seasoning, everything already went inside since yesterday. Thank you for watching. Bye.